Russia's bomber aircraft production crisis is growing. Management has changed at Russia's strategic aircraft manufacturer Tupolev, and 37-year-old Yuri Ambrosimov has been appointed to the CEO position. The appointment was made following the failure to fulfill defense contracts and delivery delays. Legal and financial disputes arose between Tupolev and the Russian Ministry of Defense due to unfulfilled contracts. The Moscow Arbitration Court ruled in May 2025 that Tupolev must pay 3 billion rubles, $39.7 million. In June 2025, the ministry filed an additional lawsuit for 0.9 billion rubles, $11.9 million. The company continues to make headlines with delays in strategic platforms such as the Tu-160M, Tu-22M3M, and Tu-95MS.